Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn more about tables. So we have created one tables and we have entered some data into the tables. We have already learned how to format the tables. Now in this video tutorial we will see some more functionality of tables, and we will see how to format the tables in more detail, and we will see lots of thing in this tutorial. So first I'm going to align this cell data by going to home tab and selecting alignment to center. So I'm selecting all at one, and you can see now my months, quarter, year and channel and forecast, which is my columns are in center. Now what can you do if you want to add one row in between this data? Now to enter the data, now to insert the row in between this data, suppose you want to insert the row after this row, so you can go to the cell after which you want to insert a row and right click on that cell and go to the insert option. Now you will see one window in which you have to select one option, shift cells right, means it will shift the cells to right side. Now shift cell down, so it will insert row and cells will be down, so it will insert row before entire row and entire column. I'm selecting entire row, so row is added before the particular cell. Now you can insert data in this particular row. Now if you find that there is no use of this particular row in my data table, so if I want to delete this row, then I can do this using delete option by right clicking onto particular row. You can also right click here row number and select delete option, so row is deleted. Another option to delete particular row is in ribbon menu. So if you want to delete this row, then select that row and go to the cells option. If you want to delete cells, then you can select delete cells, so row is deleted. You can also insert row by here. So if you want to insert cells, then go to the insert option and insert, so row is inserted. Now in these cells you can also find one format option. If you want to format particular cell, then you can do this using this cell. You can set row height, row width option using this format. So you can set row height in particular number. If I want to set row height to my 15, so you can see height is changed. So this is the formatting option. Auto fit row height will be set automatically with appropriate data. Now you can set hide rows, hide columns by this option. Now this is about inserting rows and deleting rows in particular table. By insert option, right click onto the column and select insert, so column is inserted. So this way you can also insert the column in table. So this is about inserting columns and rows in table. Thank you.